If you are wondering how many eSIMs can you have on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then let me quickly explain. So if you are wondering how many you can use at once, then in this case the answer is 2. You can have 2 eSIMs active at the same time. You can use 2 of them at once. In order to do so, of course, you need to make sure that, for example, your physical SIM cards are not active. You will have to turn them off in order to make space for eSIMs. You can of course use one SIM and one eSIM, that's possible as well. But if you want to use 2 eSIMs at once, you will have to disable all SIMs, all physical SIM cards. Now, if you are wondering how many you can store at once, then usually the answer is something like between 5 to 8. This is the average that is possible to store, but in reality, it depends on the eSIM chip capacity. In theory, just in theory alone, it is possible to download up to 20 eSIM profiles. However, the number varies depending on the size of each eSIM profile, because every eSIM profile has its own size, and of course that size or the total amount of eSIMs that you can get depends on that possible the total size that can be given or granted for eSIMs. Hence, the average amount of eSIM profiles is usually around like 5 to 8. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.